girl. Hi, darling. Hi. Hey, this is quite perky. You're always in there, aren't you, Gloria? The little flump she's lying next to her. She has got bad eyes, this little one. Her eyes are really sunken in, which again is not a good sign. But we'll get you there. Yeah, we'll try and get you back to health. Mr. Woo. What? What? You're very cute. Yes, you are. Right, let's get you out. Give you a run around. Wookie's the one closest to us. Noggle's just got himself... Oh, he was just resting on Wookie, but obviously now he's decided to get up because I'm here. And he thinks he's about to get food. It is not your food hour. You were fed about an hour ago. It is not your food hour yet. I'm very sorry. No, I've got to come back in an hour. Or 2 hours. Sorry. Please, go in the house. Seriously. I know you keep standing there with one foot up. All of them. And they go, but it's cold. It is cold in the snow. So why don't you go in the house, darling? Hey, you've got barns to go in, sheds to go in. Anywhere. You don't have to sit outside. Peas and nutters. Giles, the boy, he's clever. He's inside. He's got in one of the barns. You crazy girls. Please don't freeze to death. We'll get them in when it goes dark. That's when they normally go in. I just thought they might use their brains and go in early tonight. No. Pony food. Pony is... bloody fence. Look at that fence. Ponies are all the way behind all those buildings right around the corner. They're up by the house. I think they're standing there thinking I'll feel sorry for them and bring them in. I'm not going to bring them in. They're Welsh ponies. Everybody in this paddock here is at least 50% Welsh pony. It's a good job that's not the only fence we rely on. There we go. Right, the third Asher. They should come galloping over shortly. Go to the lifting with the spike. He's got this very clever way of lifting bales up on their end. Using the spike, yeah, it's going to give it a go. It doesn't always work, but sometimes it does. So you can only lift it so far with his little diddy tractor. And this has just got a single spike the carrot. Hello! There they are. It's only got a single spike. And the tractor's like only 20 horsepower. But the 3-point on the back doesn't lift very far. Yeah, he's mastered it. Here come my ponies. Yeah, this fence is an absolute mess, but we've got another fence on the back there. The stone wall. There's a ditch and then a stone wall, so it keeps them in. Who we got? On the left we've got Brian, furthest way, just walking towards the bale. The one next to him is Cupcake. Brian, see how well insulated he is. They've all still got hay on their backs, snow on their backs. Brian used to live wild in Wales, born, raised, lived wild till he was about 8 or 9. Cupcake there, who's circling the bale, she's a Welsh A pony, so she's a proper Welsh pony. Again, born in Wales, but not wild. And then the one behind the tractor, the little white one, is Neldia. Again, she's a Welsh A pony, and all 3 of those are fat. Which is obviously, being the fattest of 3 in there, is why they're the first 3 to the bale. Here's Brian. He's got a white stripe down his face. You look like Appaloosas. White spots on your back. So the boys that need, ponies that need drugs, there's 3 of them. 2 of them are there. There's Jake. Curly's just trotted off. The penguin rug is suitable for this weather. Right, next bale. Ah, look at all the sheep coming up. The wind is blowing down that way towards the woods, and there's a dip down there. Come on, focus. There's a dip down there, so all the sheep have all been down in the dip, staying away from the wind. They're very clever. There's probably less snow down there as well. So whilst Asher's bring this bale out, this one is going to be rolled out. It's going to be unravelled, and that is because otherwise the ponies will not share with sheep. If I had another bale, I'd put 2 bales out, but all that would happen would be the ponies would eat both bales. I need to clean my lens. Right, should we be better to clean the lens? So anyway, yeah, he's got to unravel it, and the ponies are like, no, you're not unraveling it, we'll have to share it. Hello, ponies! Hi! There's Eggs. It's one of our first lads, that really big one, that looks white on top and brown underneath. Ponies are not being helpful. Charlie! Here's the new lads, the new weathers. He's Curly in his little penguin rug, he's so cute. Do you want a hand? I feel bad standing here, but I am actually manning the gate, because the gate's a pain. Tari's stopping you from pushing it. Everybody's eating, we're all sharing. Let's get run over. I do like having an old tractor and it's still being in use at 70 years old. I just don't like driving it. It's not easy. You're all good, keep going. So this is Gonzo's bed. It's a new bed. He's only had it. My parents visited recently. My mum bought him a bed because my mum's like that. Then he stole this lovely thick fleece blanket from the sheep. And then I've just had my quilt around me and a blanket and my hot water bottle, long thin snake thing there, because I'm freezing cold, having been caught in a snowstorm for about 2.5 hours. And then what happened when I tried to get up? It all went completely wrong. Because there's a Gonzo who doesn't want me to take him out of the quilt. He managed to somehow sleep on the bottom of on the quilt and under the quilt at the same time. And now he won't come out. Yeah, there, Gloria. I don't know why. She likes that. Scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy spot. She always stands in the feed troughs. Hi, darling. Hello. How you doing? Let me sort you out a name. There, in here. This syringe. There's no needle on the end. It's just the plastic syringe. It has something that is a probiotic, a prebiotic, gut balancer thingy. It's all good. I tell you, it smells quite nice. It smells like hot chocolate, bizarrely, but it's definitely not. Hi, darling. Want some of this? Oh, yeah, you want some? She says, yes, please. They all like this. I don't know why, but I haven't yet come across a sheep that didn't like it. Round 2. Yeah. Yummies. Oh, what a good girl. All gone. They're nice. Maybe a tiny bit left. If not, I'll just give you some molasses water. So I've just put a load of sugar beet down there and she's eating it. Her and Flump. You've actually eaten it. Flump, behave. There's plenty there. I'm going to put some more down there as well in a moment. Oh, that's good to see. She wouldn't eat yesterday. That's a good sign. Hey, goosey-goose. Oh, geese. Oh, little gooses. It's a bit cold here, isn't it? Why are you telling me off? I'm just bringing your food over. Go back in the shed then. Nutters. Just feeding the cows and the sheep. It's a bit cold. So we had snow last night and then the temperature got to 0.8 degrees, so just above freezing. These bales are going out now. Which then of course meant that a load of the snow had melted. Well then of course, naturally, as soon as the snow's melted, what happens? Temperature goes straight back below freezing. And now this is an ice rink again. The entire farm is an ice rink. Hi darlings. Yeah, that's sensible staying in there. Can't say I blame you. Have I got mist on the screen or on the lens? Oh, my thumb is now frozen.